Pick the right tool for the job. Next, configure the IoT development environment. First, subscribe to Huawei Cloud Ocean Connect device access. Second, download and install the embedded development tool System Workbench for STM32. Subscribing to Huawei Cloud Ocean Connect device access. 1. Apply for an Huawei Cloud account. Visit the official website and register an Huawei Cloud account. 2. Subscribe to Huawei Cloud Ocean Connect device access. On the Huawei Cloud homepage, choose Products. Internet of Things. Ocean Connect device access. For details, see the experiment guide. Embedded Development Tools. 1. Huawei LiteOS is a lightweight OS developed by Huawei. This system complies with the BSD3 open source license and can be widely used in smart homes, wearable devices, Internet of Vehicles (IoV), public services, manufacturing, and other domains. It greatly reduces the cost of device configuration and maintenance, lowering barriers to entry for development and shortening time to market. 2. System Workbench for STM32. This tool is an embedded development tool based on Eclipse. Download System Workbench for STM32 and LiteOS projects from the links shown here. Installing the embedded development tool and configuring a project. Perform the following operations according to the experiment guide. 1. Install the embedded development tool. 2. Create a project. 3. Import the LiteOS project.